If you didn't catch the Emmy Awards, I hope you caught the arrivals. TV's biggest stars hit the red carpet to show off their style game. I'm Krystin Goodwin for Buzz 60. Scandal star looking scandalous. Kerry Washington in a metallic Marc Jacobs gown, with a mix of silvery mesh and sequins, a high slit, and detail at the shoulders, just gorgeous. Lady Gaga stunned. Surprisingly, in just a simple black number. She looked fantastic, wearing a Brandon Maxwell one-shoulder gown. Empire star Taraji P Henson also in black, sizzling in a sheer, custom-made Alexander Wang frock. Go, Cookie Lion! Modern Family's Ariel Winter went with a hot red Ramona Cavisa frock. It was strapless and stunning. And Orange is the New Black star Laura Prepon also in red, wearing a Christian Siriano dress with a golden neck piece. A very unique look. But Scream Queen's Emma Roberts was all chic in a latex nude Jenny Peckham gown. Fabulous. From sexy to simple, they're TV's hottest talent both on and off the screen. Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.